I have been using my iRESTORE. It has worked.
Anybody who's struggling with thin hair or hair loss, I recommend it, and just give it a shot.
And it's been over 6 months since I've been using this iRESTORE device. The biggest thing was the bald patch, which finally filled in. If you're going through the same thing, give it a try.
Introducing the new FDA-cleared iRESTORE Professional. iRESTORE is an at-home laser therapy system engineered with clinically proven light technology to combat hair thinning and receding hairlines for both men and women.
And I'm super excited about iRESTORE. I feel like my hair is fuller and it's actually growing faster.
So I started using the iRESTORE consistently in May, and at the 4-month mark, actually, I really started noticing a difference. And I'm honestly blown away with the results.
Right now has been about 3 months of using iRESTORE. I think where I could tell the biggest difference is the fullness, and my hair does not look as brittle and unhealthy.
It's almost like day and night. It's incredible.
It really worked for me, so it grew back not only just a little bit of my hair, but also it helped me to keep the hair that I have.
If you don't see results after 12 months, send it back for a full refund. We'll even cover return shipping. It's never been easier to regrow your hair in your own home. Get back your hair, your confidence, and your future with iRESTORE today. Visit iRESTORElaser.com now to learn more.